It looks like DJI isn't slowing down anytime soon. Just when we were catching our breath after hearing about the Osmo 360 Nano and Mic 3, more leaks have hit the scene. This time, it's all about their next major release, the DJI Mini 5 Pro. From casual flyers to seasoned drone fans, everyone's buzzing about it. We've seen blurry photos, rumors, and now, a possible release window. If you're into drones or just love keeping up with tech, this one is worth watching closely. At Technify, we're always on the lookout for the next big thing in aerial tech. And with the Mini 5 Pro, DJI seems ready to push boundaries once again. Today, we're diving deep into the details, the design changes, and what could make this drone stand out. So strap in, because there's a lot to talk about. Let's jump straight into what might be the most exciting news, the launch date. 4 weeks. Many expected a September release. It made sense, lining up with DJI's past product cycles. But according to a well-known and reliable source, DJI could be dropping the Mini 5 Pro as early as August 7, 2025. This info comes from Jasper Allens, a figure known for accurate leaks. Although he hasn't fully confirmed it, his track record speaks for itself. Unless there are delays, we might be just weeks away from seeing the new Mini in action. And it's not just dates making waves. We've also got visuals. 2 major leaks give us a sneak peek into what's coming. The first came from a Chinese beta tester, spotted flying what looked like a Mini 5 Pro prototype. This was captured and posted by Igor Bogdanov. The prototype showed a chunkier build, a larger camera housing, and, surprisingly, dual front-facing LiDAR sensors. That's a new addition for the Mini series. The drone also had larger vented motors and one-piece propellers, which were guarded by oversized prop cages. Those guards caught a lot of attention because they looked similar to the ones used on the DJI Flip, another model that didn't exactly win hearts. This made some wonder what direction DJI was heading. Then came the second leak. This time, Maro Tendoy shared a snapshot of a drone that collided mid-air with a mountain biker. It didn't have any prototype labels, and more importantly, it had folding propellers. This confirmed that DJI plans to stick with the familiar Mini design, at least for the final version. That was a big relief for fans who love the Mini's portability. The drone in the photo also had the same larger motors seen in the prototype, adding weight to the performance boost rumors. Now here's something especially interesting. The Mini 5 Pro might be aiming for Category 1 FAA certification. If that's true, it would be a major step forward. A Category 1 drone weighs under 249 grams and can fly over people if it meets certain safety and remote ID requirements. The leaked images show prop cages that are clearly designed with safety in mind. If this drone meets all the rules, it could become the go-to choice for event videographers and urban creators who want to fly freely without extra paperwork. What's more, it might be the first mini drone from DJI to have built-in remote ID. That would make it fully compliant with US regulations while still staying under the weight limit. Looking at the drone's top-down view in the Russian leak, the front LiDAR sensors suggest omnidirectional obstacle avoidance. That's a major upgrade. It seems like DJI is blending visual and laser tech for better tracking and safer flight paths. We don't have a full spec sheet yet, but the design points to smarter AI flight modes, improved return-to-home precision, and next-level obstacle detection. According to new FCC filings, the Mini 5 Pro could be powered by a 4,680 mAh battery. That's roughly 30% bigger than the battery in the Mini 4 Pro. If that checks out, we could see flight times close to 50 minutes. The expected range: around 15.5 miles. That's huge for a drone in this size category. It gives creators more flexibility without having to move up to a Mavic or Air Series drone. In short, the Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be a serious upgrade. We're talking about a sub-250G drone with smarter sensors, longer battery life, extended range, and features aimed at pro users, all while staying legal for more flying situations. And with the rumored release date approaching fast, we wouldn't be surprised to see a teaser from DJI around July 31st. They love building hype, and this would be the perfect way to get everyone talking. So there you have it, everything we know so far about the upcoming DJI Mini 5 Pro. From earlier-than-expected release hints to major upgrades in design, battery life, and smart features, This drone is poised to take the Mini lineup to new heights. At Technify, we're keeping a close eye on all the developments, and if the leaks hold true, this might be the most exciting mini drone DJI has ever made. What do you think about the new LiDAR sensors? Are you excited for longer flight time and improved safety features? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Technify for more updates, reviews, and breakdowns of the latest in drone tech. We'll be back with more coverage as soon as DJI makes things official. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.